Hi, Will here for Sound on Sound at the AES convention in New York with Daniel from THD Labs. Now, Daniel, THD Labs, can you tell us a little bit about the company for people who don't know?
Well, THD Lab is, the name came out of total harmonic distortion and a laboratory because at the start, we want to try different technology for sound. Then something happened is that we got another project that shifted from audio to control, interface and automation.
And what was that project?
The Tangerine automation interface, which started from a need of dead computers for the SSL 4000 console. So we made an interface to connect to the SSL and talk to any software, a DAW. Instead of having a dedicated software or computer, we can now just connect to a PC, a Mac, Pro Tools, Nuendo, call it a DAW. And it handles the automation from inside the software.
So, which elements are automatable and does it work with flying fader systems?
Yes, well, it's mainly volume mutes. On the 4K, 6K, 8K, you get the total recall as well, so you can snapshot the complete console. The new system, which is the flying fader, is mute and fade automation to replace the other system.
And how does it integrate with a DAW, for instance?
There's different level of control protocol. Basically, we started with UE, which is the most common communication for external
the
controllers.
Mackie UE.
Yes.
Protocol, yeah.
Then we moved to a software which is called Reaper. Reaper is a wonderful software that can be customized to whenever situation you need. So we use it as a automation-only software. And we skin it so to remove every audio aspect and have only the fader move, mutes, and the envelopes. And it talks to standard MIDI over USB. For now, we get UDP communication too with the new plugin, which will be added to talk to Pro Tools.
Okay, so that's an interesting point about how it communicates with Pro Tools. How does it integrate?
Yeah, it's two type of communication can be chosen, either UE with the limitation of 32 channel, but people that want more, they just use the plugin. And the plugin insert the capacity to talk to any fader of any size of SSL. So that way there's no limitation. It's part of the session. Envelope editing can be done as people are used to. Copy, paste, save, everything can be, it's simplified the workflow. And so the learning curve is almost, I would say, zero, because most of the Pro Tools user know how to edit a automation line.
So how does the pricing structure work for this then?
It's a modular system, so you buy what you need. The core system is around $2,500, no input outputs. It buys you the system, then you add about around $500 per bucket of 8. And then it builds up like this, and there's a quantity discount applied, so the price goes less higher as you have a bigger system.
Of course, right.
So that's...
and is it available now?
Yeah, we sold units around the world. There's LA, New York, Nashville, Poland, Spain, China.
And the feedback so far?
Montreal and Winnipeg in Canada. People say that it's changing their workflow. They mix efficiently. A friend in Nashville said, I'm mixing 10 songs a week, and it's so intuitive and easy. It's no more 1980 command to learn. So that's a testing.
Okay, awesome. Right, thanks very much, Daniel.
Thanks.